Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am repairing a 32-inch Samsung TV, model LE32D403E2W. The TV turns on fine, but it's not finding any channels. I think there's an issue with the tuner or another component affecting the signal reception. This TV is equipped with a digital analog tuner. I ran an auto-tune, but the TV didn't find any channels. Let's get the back cover off and see what's inside. Warning: safety first. TV repair can be dangerous. Do not attempt if you are not experienced. Please remember that power supplies contain large capacitors that can hold a lethal charge even when unplugged. Work at your own risk. A 9-volt regulator next to the tuner is getting very hot. I will measure the voltages on these regulators with a multimeter. The 2.5-volt regulator is good. We've got a problem here. Just 1.2 volt on output. On the last one, the input is also 1.2 volts. I'm going to remove IC701, the 9-volt regulator, to see if it's faulty. The readings show it's still good. The short is still on the board. Let's get IC702 off the board and test it as well. This is a 5-volt regulator. The readings for this regulator are good. The only option left is for me to remove capacitor C727 and test it. This capacitor connects the output of IC701 and the input of IC702 to ground. Finally, I found the culprit. This cap was pulling the rail down. There is no longer any short on the board. This was shorting out the 9-volt line. I couldn't find a schematic for the board, so I had to guess the capacitor's value by measuring it and comparing it with the others near the regulators. So I chose to replace it with a 22 microfarad 16-volt capacitor. Now I'm going to put the regulators back in place. Time to clean up the area with isopropyl alcohol. Let's check if we're getting a steady 9 volts and 5 volts now. Everything's back to normal. The regulator isn't overheating anymore. Let's power it on and see if it picks up any channels. The TV is now scanning for channels and working perfectly. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.